Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, that one's public. Alright, so now that stream is live with the A7, and this stream is here on this one. Sweet. Sweet. The A7 looks so much better than this. It's crazy. Craziness. So hi VOD watchers. We're doing some lab upgrades. So I'm going to be installing a ductless fume hood over here. You're either watching this VOD or that VOD. This one. One or the other. I don't know why people would watch the VOD of a vertical stream, but people do apparently. Look how messy my desk is. Probably shouldn't point my camera at the desk. I don't know if I have my address on the desk or whatever. I don't. But still. You gotta think about those kinds of things. Let's see. How is that view? I have no clue. I need to pull up the vertical chat over on this screen somehow. There we go. Yep, that's pretty good. Set that over there. I don't want my computer playing my own stream audio. That's a decent POV. So that's the vertical chat, that's the horizontal chat. Nice. Look at this level of professionalism. Isn't this nice? We got the Sony A7, the horizontal. We got the vertical stream for the zoomers. This tube is in the frame of this one. That's okay. Sweet. So yeah, I got a ductless fume hood that I'm installing over here. So, yeah. I'll just recap this CRT. Drag that out to the cabinet. I need more space in here. I don't know, maybe shove my chair in the hallway. No, that ain't gonna work. I gotta bring the fume hood in from the hallway. Maybe if I just stack things really, really neatly, it'll work. Who knows? Let's see. Yeah, that should work. Alright. I've returned. Alright, so the tube's out of the way. These parts go to that tube. I'll set these over here where I will not lose them. Jackie, welcome back. Jackie, if you want, we do have a horizontal POV with a Sony A7R here. I'll show you. Nice camera. Very nice camera. Good to see you returning to the screen. Right now we're doing some lab upgrades. I've got a ductless fume hood that I'm going to be installing over there. So, yeah. Which means I got to pull all this shelving out, all the stuff on the shelves out. It's going to be fun. Very much live stream activities. So I got my chat over there on my monitor, and my other chat over there on that monitor. Then I can see myself there. This needs to turn. There we go. So yeah, this POV around actually. My phone's charged. So yeah, we're just kind of cleaning up in preparation to pull all of this down. So the ductless fume is about this tall, and it's going like here to here-ish. Which means they probably have to move even with this light I installed, which would suck. But we'll get there. So yeah, this is the POV cam. I should like a head strap, just strap it to my head, like, imagine. Actually, I might be able to do that. That'd be pretty funny. Just shove a hole through my hat. Mount my phone. See, I can take a chat with there on my monitor. So, I might actually be able to do that. It would look funny, but this is a. Let's see. Do I have? I'm looking for that. That's the correct thread. This is being amusing. I like the hat, so I'll wear it back. I'm gonna grab a hat that I don't care about, so we can drill a hole in my hat. Yeah. Random case. Sort of a 13-year-old boy, 30-year-old girl now. Yeah. All that flux, lead, tin, none of that stuff's good for you. You don't want to be breathing any of that. Also, I can use it as a faux laminar flow hood. So that'll might be able to open hard drives without completely screwing them. We'll find out. I can have like a little pseudo clean room going. This is the perpetual state of my desk. It's pretty nice. There's the horizontal stream. Howdy. Yeah, it's nice. Can you do? Yeah, this is cleaner than it normally is. You know, I got the $1,300 ultrasonic cleaner on the floor. This is the used distilled water. This is the good stuff here. Brands and EC cleaner. Guys see that? That's what Lewis Rossman tells people to use, and yep, it works. It works well. Alright. Where did I just sit down the bolt? I was going to shove a bolt through a hat. Yep. Good question. I stopped paying attention and it disappeared. Oh, I did it down here, then. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, it'll turn out. Oh yeah, there it is. Current objective: attach cell phone to bulk out. Yeah, I can't adjust the delay on the short stream POV, but this one's got like a good 20-second delay on the horizontal across the room. Do I have a crappy hat in here? Oh yeah. I do. I got a Winnie's hat. I haven't worked there in quite a long time. Yeah, that's probably a little bit. I just hit the stream on accident. Zoom. Oops, I accidentally hit the back button while I was screwing around with it. I'm back. There we go. Boom. Take the hat off. Put the new hat on. Boom, POV cam. How does that look? On the horizontal stream, it looks ridiculous. Let's see, if I just move this up to the camera. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a cursed POV. I gotta tighten the hat and tip it up a bit, so you're not just looking at my schnoz and my chin. But like, this is some redneck ingenuity right here, folks. Yeah, I accidentally hit the back button on my phone. Alright, now I just need like a washer or a nut or something to keep it from like slipping up and down as much. Any problem in this world is zip tie can't solve, right? I probably should have done this before I started the stream, but I didn't think about that. If this is a little disorienting, there's a horizontal POV right over there. For the zip tie guns, yeah, I've seen zip tie guns. Those things are crazy cool. Like where I do just alright, let's try this out. Still wants to rotate. Maybe I should tie it like up and I almost need another one in the hat. Bear with me. We're just doing some redneck engineering. There we go. I should keep her a little more still. Let's see, how's that view look? Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Now I just need to like counterweight it with something. Or I just tighten it a whole bunch. Squeeze the crap out of my brains. Let's see, what if I go like that tight? Lost my challenge. There we go. Hey, how's it going? Alright, I wonder if I can get the stream delay so like you can see how ridiculous this is. You see this? Beautiful sight. If you look at the horizontal POV later on, this is redneck engineering right here. Put that on my head. There we go. Now we're working. Let's go. I should probably pull up a live view of the stream so I can actually see what's going on. I should already have that open though. How else would I have the chat? Yeah, here it is. Go this view there. That's crazy. Look at that. There's me. Then I need my chat. Stage chat. Nasal cam 004, yeah. I need a counterweight to keep it up high, so that you guys can actually see what I'm looking at. Let's see, is that enough for the counterweight? Oh yeah. Doesn't want to slip off my head. I can put a clamp on the back of it. Alright. And then you guys there, you're looking that way. Take it up just a little bit more. Perfect. See how that looks. Just watch my delayed perspective here. Yep. Okay. And then I need my other chat. There's no one in there yet, but just in case, we'll throw that up over there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Back to work. I mounted my phone to my hat. Let's look at the feed. Upside down, it looks like you're coming straight at me. Jack, that's hilarious. Probably, put that over. Customer order. Oh, my address, but it's theirs. Alright, so I got my phone glitch right here. Candy. Why this is an electronics lab? Your guess is as good as mine. Some Nashua duct tape. Some good blue sticky junk. I guess eaten all base or something. Put it over there with all that duct and stuff. See, I didn't build my own like a fume extractor system, but then I just found a really good deal on a fume hood. This is a video coming out. Off into my whiteboard. Which all this has to come down. I think I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. The light will be the last thing I take out, because that makes the stream watchable. This might not be in the way. I'd have to take a measurement of the fume hood. But right now I'm just kind of prepping. I'll show you guys the fume hood here in a minute. Oh yeah, this sort of playing around with the cricket machine. I tried a couple different pens to see if I could like plot it out or whatever. I should probably change this from top chat to all chat. There we go. This is a really cool one. There's this video where Mr. Easter takes a graphics card and he starts ripping capacitors off the back of it, and he was doing that like every day for quite a few days, and the thing just wouldn't die. And I made an explanation of why like the capacitors were redundant and parallel, and the video got like 10,000 views. I was like, holy shit! I could be YouTube. So I saved a little paper that I drew a little drawing on, because it was the first like highly viewed video I ever posted. So I figured, yeah, if it goes somewhere, I won't regret saving that. And here we are, however many months later, and yeah, 10K is definitely not my most viewed video anymore. It's close. This is everything right here. This is where I keep all of the power power adapters, some like coaxial stuff, like USB type B or whatever. We got some. You need to drill a hole, and then all that stuff is very toxic. But burns clean. Audio amplifier. That one was one that I was working on. That turned out to be like severe water damaged. Probably this is like that's it right there. Sending my RFID1. Working down. Thank you, Jackie. Means a lot to me. And I like fixing stuff, so send it my way. I'll take all the business anyone in chat sends me. Because I certainly need it. The repair industry is... Yeah. Oops, I bumped my phone. You still alive? Yes. The repair industry is not exactly the most thriving industry with all the righteous repair issues and what have you. But the brushes out, we're doing some paint work on a Senate arcade cabinet right now. That's going to be a Christmas special video. Schnoz cam. Nice. I mean, if you guys look, there is horizontal if you don't like the POV. I don't know how many people are in the chat. I just see the chat. Vape's bad for you. Oh yeah, I know. But here's the kicker is when you're like 17 and more on, some dude doing one of those, and then you're gonna be like 25 and still doing that shit. Yeah, nothing about vaping is cool. I never glorify it. I don't recommend it to anyone unless you're smoking cigarettes. You're actively smoking cigarettes. It's not something you should consider. Other than that, yeah. Someone they marketed children works because I said 17 times. Is that kind of thing we tried? We yes. I definitely thought I was an adult then. One of those things. I forget what I brought it down. Maybe it fell down. I don't remember. It just kind of shows over here. With oh, I do have cap on it. I thought it just had like exposed prongs. Because you can Beijing in like 30 of those. They're meant like warehouses. Got this big open sauce. My buddy, this is my buddy's with the open sauce. It was, he had like ChatGPT or something like that, some image generator, and you just typed it on a laptop and it instantly printed it on a tote bag. You just got like terrible results. I pulled this and asked for like a red spaceman that was a vaguely bean shaped, because whatever model he was using didn't know what model this was. Because it's kind of like a Nina open sauce. The first year they had the giant inflatable on us. That was pretty funny. I need to add just a little bit of counterweight on the back of my head. So it's not so much of my face as more. Or I could add like a spacer block. I don't know. To like tilt it. It's good enough. The fact that I was able to mount my phone to my hat, in the amount of time that it took me to mount my phone to my hat, I think it's technically impressive from like a redneck ingenuity standpoint. Yeah, it's only going to get messier until it gets completely better. kind of how this thing goes. It always gets worse before it gets better. This is how I pick up all those screws off the floor. Every cone screw goes in this thing right here. It usually lives over here by this TV backlight. This Snaw's camera looks like Snaw's camera. Yep, I vape, but only because I recently cut cigs. Yeah, you'll feel better in the long run doing that than putting tar in your lungs. Dude, these 3-pin AC cables right here, like this style, where you got like the Mickey Mouse one, the Mickey Mouse shaped one. Those are like the bane of my existence, because they're not like the UEC cables that you use for 99% of everything. And don't even get me started on whatever Apple has going on with this thingy. Alright, do I... Does this support itself? Yes, that's nice. So yeah, this is my collection of phones here. As the like laser cut wood ones to fall apart. This is so crammed full of junk. Some of these are partial phones. This isn't even my full phone collection, that's the sad part. Let's see what you wanna. I guess the wood has warped a little bit. There we go. So yeah, phone collection. It's gotta find a new home. I might build a shelf like I built over here. My dad and I built that recently. I might build another one of those for this area between here and like the second monitor. Yeah, let's see. How can I weight this a little bit more? Right now we just got this hanging off the end of it, but it's not enough counterweight to keep the angle I want. Or maybe I could, what if I clamped? No, that won't work. Let's see. You should look into a decent 3D printer. You can print some organizers and stuff. Oh, I have a decent 3D printer, but it is currently being used as a table. And I have printed some decent organizers, like the Infinity stuff. Yeah, it's one of those things where it's like, usually I'm too busy with repairs to be, you know, digging through Thingiverse and whatnot. And then it's like, I have to have this stuff, like for Infinity, you need like specific bins and stuff. Yeah, I definitely have a list of stuff that I'll print sooner or later. It's like soon TM. Let's see. Put these foam clamps on my ridiculous clamp hanging off the back of the hat as a counterweight for the phone that I have attached to the bill of this hat. This is why I never get anything done. Actually, we got a lot done last night and today. There's a handy. Do you sell on eBay? I do sell on eBay, but I don't really sell phone repair stuff. I just sell, I do sell some random parts and things, but it's mostly random collectibles. But yeah, a lot of these I need to go through and like test and wipe and see, because all this is untested donor crap. And this was like my old personal phone that has a transparent log. My other old personal phone, also modded, no screen. I got a bonus iPhone 13 mini. Absolute bonus. 1 plus. I've got some major nuggets up in here too. There's some like flip and slide phones in here somewhere. Unless I took them all out, leave them in the content box. Where did I put the content box? Oh, I think I took it out of the room. Out of the box is just electronic crap that we're tearing down with content. Alright, let's see if this works a little bit better. Let's see. Oh yeah. I wish the frame rate was just a little bit better than that. That's a little jarring. Especially with how quick I move. Pick the trash off the floor. Alright. Working gloves. I don't really need working gloves right now. Also, there's the tool bag, which is probably where the left gloves are hiding. Kobe. Yes. Let me wait. There. Oh, there's empty gas over there. This is all donor and stuff, and I already drug the donor in out of here. That's not staying as high as I want it to. I mean, the VOD will always be here. Thanks for hanging out, Jackie. Good to see you again. Man, I just started streaming. My voice is already going. Get these dinner amps. I guess we're just taking a pile. At this rate, we may as well just pile around the floor. So a little bit of alcohol in there, that's good. Alright. Got our, up here we've got like some random PC parts, some Raspberry Pi junk. What's this? Oh yeah, this is just like one of those bins of random hardware and wires. Pencil in there. Tack welding rod. A motor. And bolts and nuts and one of those crap bins. But these things are like worth their weight in gold when you need a random screw or something. Also, like when you want to mount your phone to a Windy's hat for shits and giggles. I just dropped my counterweight. That's fun. Yeah, maybe if I there's gotta be a better way to do this. I need the phone to get more of an angle. What's your main hobby? Basically this. Electronics. At the moment. I used to be really into playing to aquariums, like life. Nature aquariums. I even started a business selling like aquatic plants online. But yeah, I also play a little D&D here and there. If I have time, I'll print some crap, you know, design different projects. I definitely collect knives. Like this is my EDC. It's a Microtech UTX something or other. What's the number? UTX 85E. Don't ask what that costs. You don't want to know. Yeah, Microtech. I like Microtech stuff. I wonder if I could mount like the nah. It's like I need a hat with a really weird angled bill. Like a vertical hat. Or you could try, yeah, but then it won't see in vertical resolution. Really janky as is, but I need it like tilts like that. Which I could probably accomplish with a couple zip ties and poking a couple more holes in it, honestly. Like if I pull that out. Let's see, I got another drone holdery thing. Cheap AliExpress ones, yeah, those are fun, but I mean, to me, this is a tool. And, you know, out of all the knives I own, this is the one that I always reach for. It's either, I got two modes. This, because I'm going to beat up the edge, or this, because I like having my space. Yeah, GoPro makes a helmet mount. Yeah, I don't have a GoPro. I'm sure I could make a helmet mount, like put it on like a, you know, one of those like airsoft replica, like Windy Exos or something, or Fast MT. Any of you guys watching, we do have a horizontal view with the Sony 7, so if you want to watch like not handheld or head-mounted footage, that's there. We're installing a ductless fume hood over here in this corner, which is why there's like nothing on the bench. When every other horizontal surface in my entire life is just coated. I'm putting a fume hood here. I should get like a GoPro Hero something or other. I don't know what number they're on with the GoPro series yet. Let's see. There we go. So, yeah, it needs to go back like this. Push that quite easily if I just push that screw here a little bit more. And then yeah, I said it before and I'll say it again, there isn't a single thing in this world you can't accomplish with a bucket of random bolts and zip ties. There we go. That's the angle I actually want. So now you will be looking straight down my nose. You'll be looking out at what I'm looking at. My eyes will be here. Your eyes will be here. They'll be parallel. Let's try it. We're on 13 GoPros now? That's crazy, dude. There we are. How does that look? Get my counterweight back on the other side of the hat. This is so cursed. I love it. This is the rig for the horizontal stream. Yeah, that's the right angle. You're not staring at my nose, but if I reach out, you'll be able to see it. Alright, back on the head. Oh yeah, that's the money. That is secure. I don't feel like it's going to fall on my head. You're not looking at my nose. It could even be a little bit lower so you can see my hands more. Yeah. Sweet. this one. I'll probably need a flip it. Rest there. Yeah. There's the entire list of tickets and stuff. Ooh, and maybe some of my plans for future videos. So the two of you that actually saw that and even began to read, yeah. Doing a video about rain diamonds and rays, and what the rainbows and rains would look like. Yeah, don't read writing. I'm not worried about that. We got our internal project names are out of pocket. Our Christmas specials, internal name is Your Mom on Christmas. Makes sense to us. Might make sense to you guys after this video. But you pick that up off like a bench. I don't want next to you like what? Stay. What's in this box? Just a bunch of rain tickets. Oh, and those nice 3 amp red power supply. I punched that, sorry. You need to observe that. Oh yeah, this was at one point when I was your high box, and then this became a random box. I remember. Got my switch plate. Or that's an LED matrix plate. There's like some 3D printed keycaps in it for some reason. Got an analog stick. There's a metal analog stick. I just missed it over here. I custom control stuff. You guys want a custom controller? I got some cool parts. Children in these bins. There's this. See, the problem with like these screw bins for me is like I'll start a project and then like it'll stay disassembled for way too long, and like all the panels and board and stuff will get so separated from the screws in the bin. I'll just have a bin of screws and I'm like, I know this goes to something that's important. I just don't know which important thing this goes to right now. And then when I sit down to do the repair that's associated with whatever, usually the personal projects, honestly, I'm not really that disorganized with customer stuff. All the customer stuff is right here. But like the stuff I'm doing for Cameron and Nathan, or the stuff I'm doing for myself, yeah. So all of these are going in this spinning down here is just scrap wire. Because I'm not going to go through the time it takes to test all of these. At least today. Definitely not today. At all? Probably not. Got some random jumpers in there. What else we got in here? Some 1UF ceramic capacitors. Yeah, I wasn't happy with how these keycaps came out. I like laser engraved them. Yeah, if I do keycaps on the 3D printer again, probably gonna do them on the resin printer. That solves that. What's this here? Oh yeah, I got this sound card off eBay, and it was not working when it showed up, and that's because the firmware was ripped apart, so it could not be fixed. So now I just have like this really pretty piece of, I got a very pretty paperweight, so I got resin sinks. I don't know if you mean like literally sinks, yeah, it smells bad, but like the results resin printing can get are pretty dope. You don't have that layer line problem. Yeah, literally, yes, I agree, resin does not smell great. I mean, there's definitely worse smelling chemicals you can work with out there. Like, adr.tech part. Resin's got nothing on, like, some of the, silicone, containing compounds, like the metal polishes that deposit silicone. If you've ever got a look at that, it's like smelling salts straight to your face. Yeah, I need to pick up a GoPro, strap it to my head. Especially if I'm over here doing like the repairs and stuff. That'd be so cool. Like first person repairs. I'd watch that. Then again, I'd watch just about anything. I'm a zoomer. Us zoomers would like to watch Ring Rock Cat or what have you. Mom, can I have a tack welder? No, son, we have a tack welder at home. A tack welder at home. This thing's cursed. It's literally, what, 4 10K microfarad capacitors, just with some 000 gauge. No, that's 4 aught wire with some welding. Some welding electrodes on the end of it. You just hook this up to the bench power supply, give it like 32 volts, and then you just go. You unplug it and you just go. Chunk. I just need to make a really quick tack weld. This like battery tack welding box for like phone repair, which I've upgraded a little bit. The MOSFET in this thing was like not great. It was one of those little what do they call it when the MOSFET surface mount, I think it's like D-pack. Yeah, it was a D-pack package. It wasn't like your TO220 like these guys. It was like the flat one with like the middle pin is clipped because the base is actually just this section soldered down. So it's basically like this but short and bent up. Yeah, man. I wonder what's in this box. I actually have no clue. Some 18650 holders. So that would be a box of completely random garbage. Let's find out. Oh, it's more phones. Check it out. I got more phones. Yo. Hitting up all the, dude, I always wanted one of these when these were actually new. Parents definitely could not afford it. Never had one of these, until they were so obsolete it's not even funny. always see like other kids have these, and I'm like, damn, that's so cool. They got a whole fucking keyboard in there. Yeah, those right there were the shit. Oh, and then they got the touch screen one. Like, it was almost a smartphone, but they still hung on to the keyboard for a little bit. With Google, HTC with Google, wow. Yeah, quite a nugget. Well, we got another one. Yeah, look at me now. Me in 2008. I've got like 4 or 5 of these. Aren't I cool now? Yeah, 9-year-old me would be foaming at the mouth right now. Dude. Old Motorola. I don't even know what model this one's called. Is that like, did they call it Razor? No, it's an XT912. This is what I can't get any done as soon as I start organizing or something. There's just cool nuggets to show you guys. Sorry, the lighting's a little bit over here. I used to have this light up here, but then it broke. Like this socket up there, the ceramic fell out of it. There's no threads. So it stays unplugged, because that's very not safe. It's just the tabs are free floating up in there. Yeah, so there's 3 slide phone. Oh, speaking of Razor, yo. Yeah, hit my line. You do like, take this and hold it up to the radio, record your favorite song. Be like, sorry, I missed your call. Hit me up or whatever, bro. Oh, did my screen cut out? No, it's good. Droid, yeah. Some good old droids. I wonder if I could like modify one of these to be like a, I don't know. I feel like it'd be really cool to get one of these as like a remote for your TV. But past the remote, you like here. That'd be a fun project. Show like a little Arduino in there or something. Yo. This, you got the extendo antenna. We got the 1995, we got the, actually this might be older than the 1995 Nextel. And Motorola, yeah, this is one of the first ones. This is OG right here. We got a random Roku remote. I want to have corroded battery. Okay, it's my yeah. Yo, just got like an iPhone 8 Plus with the Mandalorian app on the back. Cause I can, I guess. That's good on pile of cool shit. Yeah, the nicer ones are tend to be over here. Oh, here's the other side of the flipper bit, like the clamshell flipper. Yeah. Dude, I wonder what the cameras on these look like. I should take some like mirror selfies with these. That'd be a funny video. I don't know. Maybe I could just copy a Dangpod and start doing nugget dips. Another iPhone 5C. I actually like the iPhone 5C just because they're pretty. Look at these guys. Actually, is that a 5C? No, that one's longer. What is this? Is it? I don't know. I'm just crazy. They're the same size. Yeah, those are both 5Cs. The 5C was only one with a plastic back. Oh, look, here's another one. And that one looks like it's a little bit inflated. It's probably. I forgot I had all these phones. I don't know how to go with batteries out of these, so I probably should do that in interest of not like burning my house down. We got some NTC thermistors. That's pretty cool. Forgot I had those. We got Otterbox, an iPhone 5. see what I'm holding. Use the shelf as a balance. There we go. It's a little bit better. What else we got here? Oh, we got the old HTC, the one that you do the thing that opened the camera. I missed that. Oh hey, instead of broken, I fixed it. Reverse tweezers. That's probably my original camera, my original iFixit kit. I could probably bring new forks for those. What is that? An iPhone? Is it the 3G? The iPhone 3G? With the Darth Vader's after to the back of it? I don't know if you guys can see the Darth Vader. See the Darth Vader on there? Hell yeah. Another droid. Or that might even be the same one. Just throw it back in the bin. Oh, but you can tell this guy worked construction. He's got like the magnet on the back. He's got it in an otter box. It's all banged to hell. And back when we didn't hear about our phones being bulky and non-ergonomic. Oh yeah. Got like the Palm Pilot inspired nugget from Pantech. Another iPhone 3G. That one's actually in really good condition. Got an old 30 pin. This iPhone, what? SE? Yeah. I got a couple iPhones. This pink one was actually my mom's phone. Way back in the day. These white ones, Lord knows where the hell those came from. A lot of these are, these were in a chain repair shop and then the donor bin left with me. Because their policy was that they weren't allowed to have a donor bin. So all like the 4 parts phones or recycled phones, which just have a box kind of like this in the back. What is that, an S4? Yeah, that's an S4. Or is that an S3? It just says Galaxy S on the back. I wonder if this is like a knockoff replacement part. Because I seem to remember it saying the number. Or is it the original Galaxy S? That might be the original Galaxy S. That might be why. They really didn't change the design up between this and where is it? The S4. You tell me the difference. I mean, it's a little bit of a different shape at the bottom, but that's about it. The inside is what they changed with that, I guess. Old Smaz nuggets. What's this? An iPad keyboard? Yeah, ancient iPad keyboard. Why would you even own this? Apparently it was purchased at Goodwill for $3. Nuggets. Drop kick that. It's like all of those phones are like, I mean, maybe you could get like $20 a pop, 4 parts in eBay, but like, the only people that really need old phones like that in a repair space, it's either going to be collectors, so the phone will have to be in great condition, or they're doing data recovery, and they want like donor boards. 18650 charger that broke on me. These 9-core chargers, like, they're really good until they just start working randomly. They, I guess they don't have strong enough decoupling capacitors or something like that. I haven't read my chat in a minute. Yeah, Blackpink mixed modern mode. Yeah. 4S. No, it's a 4. iPhones. Oh, I thought that was a 3G or 3GS. I can't tell the difference. They all look the same to me. Professional phone technician, by the way. Been repairing phones for a decade. I can't tell them apart. The honesty is. Random hardware. I might jump this one to that other one, and then use this sort of stuff that's actually working. Still no one with a horizontal. Yeah, YouTube pushes the hell out of like the vertical lines. I need to loosen this hat. Way too tight. Give me a headache. I probably have like a normal size. Here, and it'll be fine. This is my camera with that on. Bear with me. Boom. Yeah, I'm gonna get this fume installed sometime today. Maybe. This is ancient PSUs. Full another box. This motherboard is my Darren. This is a dead salvage. Or PCH cooler, I guess I'll call PCH coolers now. Server power supply. Some more like OEM power supplies. I have some nice power supplies, but I kind of there's a 12,000 watt sitting on my desk there. I'm actually going to nail that to my video editor. You just have power supply issues. The horizontal screen has a pretty bad audio echo. It shouldn't. I'm not playing in audio. Unless it's playing on camera. There might just be acoustics here, I don't know. Let me look. Oh, I just punched the vertical screen here. Let's see. OBS. OBS. Here we are. Oh, it's because it's okay. Yeah, it was the camera audio and my microphone audio. Shit, there we go. That should be better. Thanks for letting me know, AJMB. I usually don't have just a Sony A7S lying around. Say hi to the vertical viewers. That is something. Just it. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, there's you guys. I got a couple of goblins strapped to my head. Ooh, that's an ancient power acoustic. Kenwood. Ancient amplifier bits. I'm sure those are like left out in the rain and looks like all rusty. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. It's gonna be a fume mode. It's gonna look good. I'll probably have to cut my shelf like here. Let's see. It's like what? I think it's 48 inches, so yeah, I'm gonna have to move the whole shelf. Damn it. I could scoot the light over. It's just like one of those LED downlights that I put in like a little box that I slapped together when I was building this out. I never finished this one. This is just a filing cabinet that kind of hangs off the edge. I was going to have it actually properly built in, but getting a slouch level to this was like too much work. And usually that's the corner that you just pile stuff up in anyway. When I drag the fume extractor in here, maybe I'll shim it up proper so that it's flush. Or I could glue and clamp it. No, I want it to be supported underneath. I don't know. Where do you even keep a thing like this? Like, I got 18650s over here in these cases under like the Squishmallow Shark and other random stuff. I guess they go there for now. Oh yeah, look at this. Got an iPhone S, Smazno tablet, iPhone, some iPad screens. What else we got in here? Big static bag, some more iPad screens. Are these broken ones that I was gonna like wire refurbish, or are these new parts? Oh yeah, that's a new part. I haven't worked on iPads in a hot minute. This is definitely a used one because I got a ticket number from an old job on there. Oh yeah. I think the LCD under that is good, so it could be wired. I haven't got time for that shit. Probably just throw it in with the other buybacks. So for you guys that don't know, the way repair shops work is if you have a broken screen, especially LCD, and it's just the glass that's broken, those can actually be refurbished and turned into a good new part again. Ooh, that's a spicy pillow. It's a good thing I went through all this stuff up here. Most of these phones up here, I'd already gone through and removed all the batteries. Yeah, we don't want to burn our house down with those. Yeah, so if you have a broken screen like this, you can actually like wire off the glass, and there's a whole process of putting down optically clear adhesive and relaminating and rebonding a new digitizer glass, which is what this is. So this is the, yeah, I remember, this is the broken screen, and this is the replacement digitizer glass that you have to use a molybdenum steel wire. So yeah, there's a bonding interface down there. This flex cable, oh actually the touch is pre-cabled. You don't even have to bond these with a FCA bond. It's got its own dedicated flex cable, so you just kind of route this in behind the LCD panel and reapply your optically clear adhesive once you wire this. But requires like a vacuum table, like a heated vacuum table. I actually have some of the wire up here. You see that shiny right there? This one. That's the wire you'd use to cut the screen off. So spicy pillows. What else we got in here? Anything else that's gonna explode on me? There's a Smazno S8 or an S7. That might just be a good working iPad screen. Dirty, but there you go. It's probably the screen to like this guy. Yep. I'm starting to connect some of these dots. That one's been dropped pretty hard, you see that? Coming apart at the plastic antenna. S6 Edge. Oh, I hated the Edge phones. Working on the Edge phones was the worst. Like the S7 Edge. Ugh. This is before Samsung sold you the whole screen, like frame in, which is a problem itself. I still think this is hilarious. Look at this. That's the vertical stream. And then I've got this ridiculous counterweight on the back. It'll probably make for pretty good highlights since I have literally POV and the horizontal stream. So if like I drop something over here, I can get both angles or whatever. Something like that. Until I barely do phones anymore, I can't find a spudger for the life of me. There's one. Almost needs more alcohol. There it goes. Oh, there's that. Actually got the right tool for the job. There we go. Oops. There's the deoxit. AJ, MB, if you're still hanging around, how's the audio sound on this now? Hopefully a little bit better. I really need to get like a lav mic. That'd probably improve things significantly. So we've got a spicy pillow bin here. That'll go out to, I've got an outdoor like lithium ion holding bin where I have just tons and tons of lithium ion cells and like a steel and concrete bin, because I ain't keeping that stuff in my house. No sir. Like some of the risks associated with having lithium ion batteries are a little overstated. It's really hard to make them combust if they're not like 70% or more charged. Really hard to make them combust, but the gases that vent out of them when you puncture them, that gas is highly, highly toxic. That's a good way to end up in the ICU, is breathing too much of that. Let's see here. 12 is still hanging out. If you guys are enjoying, feel free to ask any questions. Right now we're installing a fume hood right here. So that's why we're ripping everything out of here. Everything over there is staying, but this shelf has got to come down. This shelf has got to come down. I'm probably going to have to move this little jumper table thing on over, slide it under there a little bit. But yeah, full size, dual fan, ductless fume hood. It's in my living room right now. I bought it from Gov Deals. There's a full video coming out about that on the main channel here. Yeah, I'll probably use some of this footage at some point in the video. Maybe time lapse this. Because I shot like some time lapses of clearing all the crap that was in this area off. well, not that one. That one's too far gone. But you just throw all the broken screens in a box. You turn them in. The vendor that you buy your parts from usually gives you credit, store credit. So that sort of stuff is worth hanging on to. Yeah, just have a random bag of bits and screws. This was my shirt pocket from a couple days ago when I was doing some HVAC work. I just had a bunch of bits and stuff in my shirt pocket. So I just dumped them into a bag because I'll want to put the same bits in my shirt pocket when I go to do it again. Am I looking at the right live chat on the horizontal? I don't know. Maybe that no one's watching the horizontal POV. And there's one of you. That one of you is probably me. Yeah, pop it out anyway. Shove it over there. Cool. Cool. I think I was going to make some shitfinity bins. If you guys are familiar with shitfinity, they're gridfinity bins that use toilet paper roll like this, or paper towel roll, as like the walls of the actual bin to save on filament. Called shitfinity. They're gridfinity bins, which are like these stackable, modular little guys that come in all shapes and sizes and use cases, which I have some over there too, by the laser machine. Alright, what we got up here? Oh yeah, this mat. Star Wars mat. Sweet. I forgot I had that. Probably use that as like a mod mat or something. A lot of the times I'm in need of like a nice clean soft mat like this. Never doing any on-site service with something with a screen. I gotta take the screen off and set it on a surface that's not gonna like destroy the screen. It can be a problem, like, especially if like people have a bunch of Mac towers and they gotta take the glass off the front. It's like finding a place to set that in a customer's house is like not guaranteed, or a business for that matter. Very not guaranteed. Got the Harbor Freight bin wall thing. What's in here? Syringes, empty syringes. This one. Phone down boards. And a broken back glass. I don't know why I have a broken back glass. Literally useless. Brass tacks. Well, hey, when it comes down to brass tacks, guys. Cue the laugh track. Yeah, this is flimsy garbage from Harbor Freight, but does the job. Kinda. I wouldn't put anything too heavy up on there, or it'll come off on me. There's another one of those 18650 chargers that keeps shitting the bed on me. I don't know, how hard is it to make just like a battery charger that has like good a good switch mode power supply in it, or a good DC-DC converter? Because both, I think it's the DC-DC converter is the issue with this one, because it won't work when you have it in 12 volt operation or in 120 AC operation. Either that or the charge controller just sucks and is dead. But yeah, I reflowed and replaced a lot of those like SAW-23 parts. No avail. Not worth my time. It's like a $20 battery charger or something. So that goes in the donor bin. Your guess is as good as mine. There's the plastic case that I missed. Walk of shame. Battery charger that shit the bed. What do we got up here? iPhone 12 battery. One of the ones without the BMS tap welding ones. It's a PC case manual. These are all the spare parts to my wife's gaming PC, I happen to know. All the like the fan shroud covers. And like the spare screws and stuff. What else we got? One of those universal RGB remotes, that's pretty cool. Always looking for one of these when you need one. Never use them when you don't. One of those things. Oh, I just threw that behind my desk. Rip. There's a douche flute that I broke and then fixed and then never put back together. If you guys are familiar with the douche flute. This one was really expensive, I remember. Like one of the really, really nice ones, and it broke all the same. I've gone through, this is number 17. I break these a lot. And when it comes to electronics repairs, I will not fix my own stuff. I hate fixing my own stuff. Well, I did fix this. I just never... See, this is what happens when I fix my stuff, is I never put it back together. But it works. It's just in this state. And all the parts are in that bin. Yeah. That's an old tank. Missing the glass, so I probably broke the glass on it too. I mean, to be fair, I think this one lasted a lot longer than like... I mean, and better, it's like solid steel. Yeah, I might put that back together if I like ever want to put like a... I don't know, fog machine on some random maker project. 15-volt power supply, like the aquarium light. Interesting. That can go in that one. Little speaker driver. That junk bin. A retention bracket for literally my graphics card. Maybe I should use this. I mean, I've got to support an anti-GPU seg thing up in there. But yeah, this is like the support bracket to keep you from, I don't know, having word flex like this. Probably install that. I have to repaste this card, probably yet tonight. Whenever I boot up a game, like my whole system black screens. And it's not because of the overall temperature, it's just my hotspot temperature is really, really high, and everything else is like 30 degrees. So I think I have a dry spot in my paste. And like, I don't run my GPU very hard. I don't game much anymore, so I hadn't even noticed that it was a problem. Got the long drivers. Long boys. Those are nice. If you ever have one of those screws, like, deep down in like the plastic groove, super annoying. This is the tool that you dig off the shelf. For now, it can go up there. That works. Oh, there's the light that power supply came off of. I think the power supply was bunk, but the light's good. Either that or the power supply was fine. I forget what's going on with this. I'll have to test it. Yeah. If I don't do it now, it won't get done. One of those things, right? You don't do it now, it don't get done. Yep. Let's see here. confirm. Oh, no, there is power there. Why isn't my multimeter reading it then? Maybe I was just holding it on there wrong. Oh yeah, I got 15 volts across, so power supply is okay. Oh yeah, this is the one that had the one burnt out LED. I repaired it and then never put it back together. Are you seeing the theme here, guys? My thing, repaired it, never put it back together. Also my thing, repaired it, never put it back together. If it's for me, I'm never putting it back together. I'll fix it. Oh yeah, that's a Samsung TV PSU. I need to list that up on eBay. Recycling thing. Yo. There's a manual for my AT862D. Probably shouldn't show that. That's got customer information on it. There's a business card that I did. One of my steel business cards. Now that's pretty cool up there. The laser colorized brass. I had the laser dialed in. Turns the brass a brilliant blue. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I'll show the big camera. See here. Yeah. It's like same color as my shirt, blue. Put that over here. What else we got up here? Mail me stuff. That's my public address. That's the one I show on videos intentionally because it's funny. Because it's literally a mailbox in a UPS store. Like, you can show up there. And I ain't gonna be there though. Calibration cards for this thing. Got the big clamps. I love these microfiber rolls. These are so nice. They're very convenient. This one's specifically bent to go in these two holes that I drilled in the light. So I will put this up here so I will not lose it. Beautiful. Alright, making progress. There's so much less crap on my wall. I wonder if the audio is getting bad yet because of like the flat wall and the echo. I mean, the audio is probably bad to begin with. I'm not using the 32-bit floating point recorder at the moment because its wireless does not support Android. It's iPhone only wireless for some stupid reason. But my cameraman uses an iPhone, so it's not a problem for him. Got some leather buttons. Put that with the leather working stuff, which is shoved up in that corner somewhere. I love this thing. It's so cool. The Hacksmith Mini Saber. Got that to open source. Alright, yeah. We'll deal with this mess on another day. But yeah, I've got quite a few messes to deal with. That one, that one, that one. This one's almost done though. Sometimes it feels like you're just moving messes from point A to point B. which in my case I probably am sometimes. Alright, not important. That can go with this. Heard my phone go off on my head. Is it bitching that it's low in power already? It's only been like 2 hours. Let's see. Oh, I was just getting a text message. Alright, what else we got up here? Raspberry Pi projects that I never finished. Cool, that can go with the other ones. Custom gaming controller that I need to put back together. That's a PlayStation board right there. Yeah, Xbox controller. Dope. There's a little Wi-Fi nipple. There it is. I can't remember if I repaired this board. Like, I was just customizing this, and then, because it was just, like, sitting in a bin of, my buddy's junk, and he's like, yeah, my sister, like, threw it at the wall or something and stopped working. I forget what the story was. I need to get it put back together. He's no longer even living in the state. I gotta mail this out to him. Dude lives in Alabama. But, you know, it's a buddy thing. And it's not like money's exchanging hands here. Kind of a homie repair. There we go. There's his mid-frame. Membranes. Yep, button and chain down here. Cool. Get that put back together. Once we get the fume hood installed, we'll do this in the GPU tonight, and that'll be like my whole productivity for the entire day. There's that Fender amp panel. Can ease you up there. That bin of junk. You gotta have the junk bins. You're not a real electronics tech if you don't have the junk bins. I doubt I have brake pads in here. Oh yeah, these are my tire pressure meters. I think maybe this one crapped the bed. They're pretty corroded. They stopped working after a while. I think they got liquid damaged or something. Hard to say. I was thinking about ripping them apart. See if I could like ultrasonic them or something, but yeah, not really worth it. I would like to know like what's inside there, if it's a little load cell or what. I don't know. But those came out of my tires. Now I just forever have a low tire serve TPM light on my truck. One of those things. Let's take this stubby box. Got the little Len Sebastian signed card. Pretty little box, but you know, I don't need it. Not important. Made of paper. This one has phones in it. One of these has lamp parts. One of these has phones. Yeah, phones. I know these have all had their batteries pulled, so that's good to go. Cool, we're almost there, guys. Woo! That is just a bin of breadboard junk going on. I built like an AM demodulator for fun. What's in here? That's just parts and things. What are those TO22 or TO220s? Those are 530N and 640N. They can go in the pile with the rest of them. What's that chip? Something I just needed one of. Oh, I think it's a GPU DRMOS. That's conductive tape. Yeah. That's the guitar pedal I'm building. Go in there. That can go in the thing. I've got a bag of bags over here somewhere. Wherever I put it. But yeah, this is where I keep all the static bags. Because these are expensive if you need to buy new ones. Very expensive if you need to buy new ones. Ugh. Man, all this streaming I've been doing lately has been murdering my voice. Probably need to drink more water. That's probably my issue. It's like almost clean in here. It's crazy. Like you look over here and you're like, wow, there's nothing there. You look over here and it's like, oh, God. Yeah, these are the separators for the like the laptop slidey thing. You know, I'm the one that designed the dimensions of this thing. I probably should have like thought of like I need a place to put these. I could just drill a hole in each of them and just kind of like hang them up here. I don't really want to put like bins or shelves right. I could put a shelf up there for like stuff that I barely ever touch. Alright, so this light just needs to put back together. These go to the snap maker. Throw that over there. Yeah, you can tell there's been like several attempts to like organize everything that like only partially succeeded. Like there's bins that have like sorted stuff, and then I decided, yeah, nope, this is a junk bin now, and then starting junk in there. This goes to that laptop. See, all of these are like donor, and all of that is customer. They're laptop cubbies. They hold laptops. I know which ones are which. They also have, you know, ticket stickers on them. Which I'm not going to show you because that has the customer's phone number on it and whatnot. I mean, if you're that dedicated and you want to call my customers, you can come work for me. Let's see. Got an optical drive. The optical drive is a random part. The screws in this dish belong to that sound bar up there. I happen to know. But as I was saying earlier, sometimes I'll have like a bit of screws like this. I'm like, which thing that is like partially disassembled in limbo right now does this go to? And sometimes that's a problem. I'm totally going to forget that I put it there. This is also part of that. And this drive. I think that came out of like an Xbox 360 or something. Ooh, that was not a good sound. I did not like that. It's fine. Alright, here we go. These things, you need to replace this part. Good luck ever finding one of these for sale. These like weird proprietary ribbon cables. You tear one of those working on something, you're screwed. So I always save these. Nickel caps for tack welding up battery packs. This is a donor part, so it should probably go in with the other donor parts. Yeah, I'll just put it up in this bin for now. Bunch of random stuff up there. Capacitors and phone parts. Why not ribbon cables too? This is like a magnetic based like mushroom. You can like check this out. Boom, I got a mushroom on my shoulder. I'll just chill there. He's meant to go on like he's meant to go on like a hat like my phone is right now. Yeah, there, we got a mushroom next to my phone. It's ridiculous. I love it. You can go there. Alright, almost there, guys. Get to drag the fume extractor in here soon. Or the fume hood. Cord. Yep. How you guys doing? Having a good time? Enjoying what you're seeing? I don't know. This isn't the most like interactive stream. I'm just kind of just working and ranting about whatever comes to mind. I am a professional yapper, so. You guys enjoy me yapping, subscribe, I guess. There we go. Got the arm. Well, that's an L. Yeah, we're just making it a big shit over here. It's not that big of a deal. I used to have like organization like that, and then I got busy. Where like this is only like Y0000 film screws, GIS, which is like the tiny Phillips, but different pentalobes, plates from like iPhone, from like it's like old ones, new ones. This is like hard drive screws and stuff like that, laptop screws. This is all nickel plate and pins. And then these were just the random junk bins. But it was actually like organized. It's crazy, it's unlike me. You know? Oh, still this bin of tiny microscopic iPhone screws. Oh, it's stuck up in the, there we go. You see that? Just tiny screws. Yeah. Let's see. Set that up here. to rip it down. It's okay. We'll probably come right to the edge of the fume hood, and then stack like 1, 2, 3 shelves, like straight up on the left-hand side of it. And then if there's any space left above it, well, no, I don't want to put anything above it. It vents out the top. It's ductless, but it vents out the top, so yeah, we can't obstruct that. Empty bin. I'll need that once I sort all this crap. With a horizontal VOD, just for reference. We're talking about, yeah, that crap. Kind of nightmare over there. We'll get there. It'll get sorted. This Amazon Basics tripod is terrible. But, yeah. It works. Actually, my cameraman has a really nice tripod, but I left it out in the garage when we were doing a project. Didn't feel like lugging it in here, because we're probably going to need it out there when we're doing that project. Yo, I got some hard drive platters, also known as spicy frisbees. Yeah. Got holes drilled in them because these were out of like recycled machines. That's one way to delete most of your data, is drill a hole in it. Make it really damn hard to read, that's for sure. The data's still technically on there, but you're not going to get a magnetic read head to spin on there without destroying the magnetic read head. I'm sure you could probably figure something out where it like avoids the holes, but then you'd need like a custom solution. I'm sure all the 3-letter agencies out there have something like that. Where, you know, you drill a hole in a hard drive, but they can still read it because they've got like a machine that only reads the sectors that aren't physically damaged. Just hope you drilled the hole in the spot where all of that tax fraud was. Something like that. The homework folder, hope you drilled that out. Alright. Almost ready to pull the shelf down. You like that? I got a light switch on my on my bench. Oh. Don't do drugs, kids. You'll definitely regret it. Don't be like me. I'm a loser. Alright, get these out of here. Actually, no, those probably aren't going to move. The fume hood only comes to here. Oh, shit, the top's the Phillips. Do the top first. Take the top off. Work from there. How many of those did I actually screw in then, is the question. messy tool bin. Actually, I know exactly where my T20, T15, and T30 bits are. They're in the case that I keep all my self-tapping wood screws in. I guess all wood screws are self-tapping, unless you're talking about threaded inserts, and those don't count as wood screws anymore, if you ask me. Almost there. Almost there. This counterweight thing that I rigged up is giving me a headache. I wonder if there's a way I can counterbalance my phone strapped to the hat. For those of you guys that are probably just joining, I'm sure you guys haven't been here since the start of the stream where I shoved a screw through this hat. If you look on my monitor there, you see I got a phone attached to a hat with one of those little phone holdery things. I guess you can't see. Yeah, that's on my head. We're going back to the schnoz cam where it's going to sag a little bit too low. Back to the good old nose cam. Yeah. Let's see here. That's not actually too bad. Yeah, I just had this clip the back of my hat so that I can keep the angle where I wanted it. Probably looks better if you can see a little bit more of my arms and stuff. Make more sense of what's going on here. I had it earlier where like the POV was too low of the angle, and you could just see like my whole nose and face. You could see my eyes like darting around. It looked cracked out. It was kind of funny. Anyway, I dropped that flipper bit straight onto the floor. Where did that end up? Good question. Good question. At least I think I dropped it on the floor. I might have set it on the table or something. Your guess is as good as mine. I remember hearing it hit the floor. Clean linen wipers. I should probably put this back in with the rest of that stuff so I don't lose that. Did I set it down in there? I might have been holding it. No. Okay. Yeah, this is oh, there it is. And a piece of 600 grit sandpaper. All right. Those are T20s. I guess I could just Oh, I don't have the Linus Tech Tips driver that has all my Torx bits in it out here. It's over in the other room. That's annoying. Well, I might just be able to leave this attached to the piece of shelf. Might be able to get away with that. Depends. I got Romex shoved into this like cable channel here. If I can get that cable channel loose, it'll be fine. Oh yeah, I can put this thing aside. You know what? You can live here for now. This also goes with it. That's the cover. Alright. Bet I look ridiculous from over there, just sitting on the bench. I got the long guy. That's what I need. Turn it the correct direction. Lighting's gonna get even shittier as we get to pull in the rest of the important ones off of here. There we go. Woof. This has been a process. See, this bench over here was like piled up like as bad as this stuff. So, yeah. I'm probably also tired because I haven't ate today. You know, it is like what, 5 p.m. Haven't ate at all today. Sitting over here wondering why I'm tired. That'll do it to you. That'll do it to you. I can get it one-handed. There we go, got it. Oh, I slipped. It's because it's the last one. I'm pushing the whole shelf up. Just use two hands like a reasonable person. switch. Just an offcut of the same shelf that I put a hole in. Crafty, I guess. I gave myself plenty of leeway with the wire though, so if I ever needed to move it, which today has come, so I think it's just an off-cut scrap piece of Romex off something. It's 14 gauge, so it's running one LED light. I ain't too worried about it. Even though it's old, it's fine. It's the old crap with the paper between like the outer insulation and the inner insulation. You know what I'm talking about? Maybe some of you Sparkies out there know what I'm talking about. Yeah, and I've just got it boxed up there. It's got a quick disconnect plug and then these like spring latch things. Like the craftsmanship on it, shoddy at best, but it works. You don't see the side of it, you only see the side that's actually flush. The way I had it. Yeah, even you guys that have been watching the channel for a long time probably had no idea there was this huge gap here, because it was on this side. And nothing important has happened over here until we install this fume hood, and then, you know, we might actually be working on this side of the bench for once. As you can tell, like, this is very much where I work, and this is very much where I pile things up to collect dust. Yeah. Probably could just, I might be able to jimmy the wire off, but then I have to rewire it. Oh, that just slides off nice and easy. Well, that makes our lives easier. Oh, it's color temperature selectable, so like, yeah, it goes several different colors. Really nice light. I think these are like $180 down lights from Max Light, I think is the brand. They had them at work, and somebody had special ordered it, and then never came and picked it up, and it sat in our inventory for like 3 years, back when I was working my day job. And yeah, our district manager was there one day when we were doing inventory, and he's like, "Hey guys, this $180 light is going in the dumpster. I'm writing it off." And he's like, "Once it's in the dumpster, I don't care what happens to it, but I'm putting it in the dumpster." He's like, "Just wait till I leave, because I know you goblins are going to take that shit." And guess what? This goblin took that shit. I ain't letting something like this go to waste. It's a nice light. It's got good power factor. It's got good color rendering index. It's temperature selectable. It's wired by a moron. Actually, that's not too bad. Solder lugged my ground, wire nutted my live and my neutral. I'm sure you all have seen much worse. Hell, it would probably be more controversial if I put Wago nuts on it than if I just gave it the old regular wire nut. That's why I don't like wire nutting stranded to solid, because it gets all mangled. Oh yeah, the switch is off. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to zap the hell out of myself. But the switch is off. Just don't bump the switch. You'll be fine. Right? Yeah. a shame if I electrocuted myself on live stream. There we go. Come on. Untwist. Untwist. Probably should have just clipped it from the start. I'm going to need to bring the fume extractor, fume hood, fume extractor, same difference. The fume hood, I don't need to bring it in from that door, so I can't put this in front of it. So I guess it's going to sit up over here somewhere. I have a feeling that's just going to fall over on me at some point, and I'm going to be like, yeah, called it. Right. Those are all towards T20. I need to go find that bit, because this is not as 25, I think. Yep, T25. Alright, I'll be right back. Y'all can just stare at whatever the hell's going on over here. It looks technical and interesting. My viewership probably is already in the toilet on this stream because it's not electronics. There we go. Alright, I will be right back. Maybe just leave the wire there. Get people asking questions in their head like, what is going on here? I'm so confused. Sweet. Where did I, before I go? Ah. Be right back. That means all -3 of you watching the horizontal POV. So, vertical POV, horizontal POV. See you guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, okay, so it is actually in this bin, isn't it? I think it is. Where the fuck did I actually put it? Now I'm confused. probably right in front of my face somewhere, like hiding under this crap on this desk. That'd be typical. That would be typical for me. Let's see. Do I have a T20 in here? I might have a T20 in this one. Nope. All the torch bits are in that. The other adr.tech tip screwdriver. Wherever the hell I put that one. Actually, there's some torch bits in this one, but I doubt I have a 20 in this. Nope, just T8. Fun. Yeah, that's fun. Alright, I'll go pull it out of my other toolbox then. I was just being lazy and that one's all the way downstairs. I'll find one sooner or later. Double check that this isn't holding out on me. Is that it right there? It'd be funny if it was just sitting right there the whole time. Oh yeah, what do you know? Oh no, that's another T25. Yep. That's just a really old T25. That's why it was sitting in the back of the drawer. It's ready to get thrown in the bin. That's funny. You walk away and people are still watching. To be fair, I did say these people probably been hanging around for a minute. I did say I'd be back, and what do you know, I did return. But I'm gonna have to go looking again. Fun. Oh, I actually might have one of these with Torx on it. Somewhere. I ain't using that to take all those screws out though. Alright. Dad's back from getting milk. I got what I needed. There we go. Put the POV hat back on. Sweet. Come on. Why do you want to go off axis like that? There we go. My wall's looking naked. It's weird. Real weird. But then again, when are things ever normal around here? Rightio. I don't know what I did with that enclosure screw for... Did I throw it in here by chance? I did. I did. Go me. Go me. There's some double-sided tape stuff in it. Boop. Are you winning? Oh, hell yeah, big cheese man. How's it going? I'm pulled that shelf down and all the crap out of the corner. I'm putting the fume hood in at the moment. How you doing, man? I know you're so disappointed you came here to learn repair stuff. And here I am, just doing handyman shit. We're just disconnected. Oh, that was probably the camera dying. No, the battery on that camera should last longer than that. It's got USB powered, right? I don't even think it's using the battery right now. Something disconnected over there. Hear that Windows disconnect sound? Where did I put my, oh, sitting there on my keyboard. Go. Just woke up and saw you live. Yep. I've been on for a minute. I'm also streaming horizontal. With oh yeah, it was the camera dying. Never mind. Not streaming horizontal anymore. Jackie, welcome back. We've made some progress. Can you tell? There we go. Now, I'm also streaming horizontally. So, if the POV cam isn't your thing, Big Cheese Man, you got options. You got options. I'd say you could put one on one monitor and one on the other, but I know your ass only has one monitor. The 510 threads on this douche flute are done for. Almost ready for number 18. I don't know if you were in here earlier, Jackie, when I was saying how I've broken. This is number 17 that I've owned. I break these all the time. Here's a broken... See, what happens is I'll break them, and then I'll repair it, and then I'll never put it back together. Because I don't know if I'm physically capable of doing electronics repairs without pumping myself full of caffeine and nicotine. How'd it go with the Wendy's cap? POV looks great. Yeah, we're still rocking the Wendy's cap. I just put an auxiliary strap like up on the. I don't know if you guys can kind of see. I just strapped it up to make the angle higher, and it started working out. But yeah, geez, I got my phone strapped to a Wendy's hat that I drilled a hole in. Yeah, it's hilarious. Instead of having like a helmet mount GoPro, I've got a Wendy's hat with a hole drilled in it. It's redneck engineering. Did you get a second monitor, Cheese? I swore last I checked you didn't have a second monitor. Then again, it's been a minute. I haven't gamed like at all lately. Last time I was gaming, you were there. Oh yeah, that's the other thing we're gonna do tonight, to repaste that GPU. I figured out the GPU problem I was having. I don't know if I told you. We were trying to play some games. I'm like, yeah, whatever, I'll game. I hadn't gamed in like, I don't know. I'll look at my Steam year in review, and it'll be like, total hours played, 20. That's what it was last year, it was 20. So this is year 2 of barely gaming. I've kind of lost my gamer card. I mean, I got a nice gaming PC, but I'm too busy doing this. Last year I was just working a lot. Then again, last year I did still game. I just wasn't gaming on Steam. I was playing some random oddball stuff. Yeah, there are these box mods that have the air intake up here, so this will never leak on you, even if you like flip her upside down, because the airflow goes through like these 3 center channels. So that's a tank design that I really like. Also, you don't get the coil dirty as fast because you're not holding it that close to where the air comes in, because you usually get like a layer of crust right down in here, just naturally, especially if you work in a dirty environment and do you know, this kind of stuff. You'll get, if you set it down, dust and dirt will like land on the shelf there, and you'll suck it right into the coil. But a lot of those refillable like salt sticks that all the kids use these days. Put Nixie tubes in the face of your gaming PC. That sounds dope as hell. If you have pictures, I don't know. Are you in our Discord? You should be in our Discord. I'll put the Discord in chat. Huh. I wonder if the stream's just sucking all my bandwidth and can't open Discord. It'd be funny. Okay, so you did get a second monitor. Discord doesn't want to open. Yeah, I'll just link it on my phone. The stream will cut out for like half a second when I tab out, because that's just the way things are on mobile streaming. So bear with me. There we go, we're back. Go here. How do I type in my own chat? Good question. No, not that. I don't know how to type in my own chat. Hey Cheese, just can you open the advanced device repair Discord and just share the link in chat? You're now my moderator. Oh, actually, I can literally add you as a moderator. There you go. Boom. Now it won't yell at you for posting links. I wish I had a CRT for a monitor. It'd be pretty cool if I had like a tube up in here somewhere. I don't know where the hell I'd put it at this rate. I don't know, maybe I put the CRT like over on this shelf where I got the filament dryer and a bunch of random crap. It looked kind of cool. I've been thinking about, like, see there's a window behind this moving blanket, and it looks like right onto my neighbor's front porch. So I just put that up there. What are you linking? The advanced device repair Discord. You're in it. Yeah. Mount it up in the corner. Like the school said, yeah. Just some cathode ray tubes, you know? See, this is the forbidden douche flute right here. This is a flux dispenser. Yeah, that's not something you want to breathe in. No, sir. No, sir. That would be bad. Got a grounding clip. Banana plug grounding clip. Actually, I guess it's just a banana plug cable. Shove it in this stack. Look at this. Just got a stack of banana plugs. Because I've got like the regular alligator clip leads on there, but I also have like the probe leads for like clipping it onto stuff. You know, I never figured out what was wrong with that TV backlight that's underlighting those shelves. I should probably figure that out. I probably just had a solder joint snap on it, because you're soldering to that like it's that aluminum substrate. So it's like aluminum, copper, and then the solder mask. Which, I don't know. I never feel like I get a good joint on that kind of PCB. Like the metal backed stuff that they make LED stuff on. I think like the move for those is like hot plate. I think that's how they do any rework on that kind of stuff, is hot plate soldering. Because in my experience, it's really easy to, you can't really melt the joints from the top because they're like coated. like they've got like conformal coating on them. So I've never really been able to rework it, just like hitting it from the top with the hot air gun, that hot air rework gun, or a regular soldering iron. So I think you gotta put them on a hot plate and just hold them like right at the melting point of that solder. That way you don't burn anything, but you melt the joint from below. You ever seen one of these? It's just like a magnet watch. Like this for working on like panels and automotive stuff, or large things where or like a TV where you don't have a workbench and you're just there with a screwdriver. Kind of handy, kind of gimmicky though. One of those weird things I own. Do I use it often? No, but when I use it, it's alright, I guess. Magnet bit that goes in the iFixit kit. It's got a random steel plate. Thick one too. Yellow. Thank you. Thanks. Gloomy in here because I'm gonna have to move this light. Let's see, it's guys still kind of see. Maybe I can put this up over here. Yeah, it's getting dark. Keep removing all of my lighting. There's my cameraman calling me. I should probably pick that up. I'll be back. Yo, how you holding up? Hang on, I'm streaming. Let me let me just pause the Oh, I never unmuted that stream. That's so funny. Yeah. Oh well. No one's watching it anyway. I just have it for the footage. For the VOD. For the VOD.